Hello, we're the History Hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
And we are in Padern, in the south of France. There's a castle above us on the hill, which we're going to check out, and a chapel behind us. Maybe it's medieval too. Maybe we'll find out. Let's go check it out. So first, this chapel. What is it, Jente?
La chapelle Saint-Roch.
Saint-Roch. Can't see nothing.
Yeah, I can't even read this. It's possible it was built between 1348 and 1375.
No, I can't read the rest.
No.
Okay, onto the castle.
The castle of Padern is located in the Corbières region in the Haute department in southern France. The town of Padern is located on the confluence of two rivers, the Le Torrent and the Verdouble. The castle overlooks the town in the valley below.
The region was already inhabited since prehistoric times. During the Roman period, the area was known for its iron mines. The first mention of the town of Padern dates from the late 9th century. A deed specified that the town of Padern was donated to the Abbey of La Grasse. The castle was first mentioned in 1026.
At the time of the start of the Albigensian Crusade in 1209, the castle was property of Raymond de Terme, but the castle would quickly thereafter be captured by the Crusaders. After the death of Simon de Montfort, leader of the Crusade in 1218, the Occitan nobles succeeded in recapturing many of the conquered castles. Chabert de Barbera became lord of the castle of Padern, as well as the castles of Père de Perthus and Quéribus. We have videos on these castles as well, be sure to check them out. After the fall of the castle of Montségur in 1244, Padern also became home to many Cathars. This would last until 1255, when Chabert had to surrender his possessions to the French King Louis IX, when he was captured during the siege of Quéribus.
Visible today are the large polygonal curtain wall around the central courtyard that would give access to the keep. This was the Lord's residence and originally consisted of 3 floors with comfortable living arrangements. After long negotiations, the castle would once again come under a governance of the Abbey of La Grasse in 1283. At the end of the 16th century, after the wars of religion, Pierre de Vic would purchase the castle. He made many alterations to the castle, but kept its feudal defensive aspect intact. His descendants would sell the castle back to the Abbey of La Grasse. At the end of the 18th century, the castle was abandoned. was Chateau de Padern Castle. Disclaimer, it's actually off limits and we went in anyway. Don't do anything you shouldn't be doing and always follow the rules. Anyway, this is the arbitrary subjective castle score. I'm gonna go for a 6.
Yeah, a 6. I think that's fair.
There's still a lot left, but no information, maybe because it's off limits actually. So we have some information in our book which we shall overlay, or have already overlaid. Overlain. But yeah, this was Padern. Anything to add?
Yep.
Just
Maybe
usual.
like, subscribe, comment, all the good YouTube stuff.
All that stuff. And we'll be seeing you next time. Bye.